Students, today we are going to study the chapter number 2, periodic classification of elements. In this chapter, we are study about the topics like Doberan triads, Newland octaves, Mendeleev's periodic table, and modern periodic table that we use nowadays. And also, we are getting information about the various scientists who are trying to classify the elements. And they were existence at that time, and what are the difficulties they had to classify the elements, as well as with the classification of that elements by various scientists, what are the merits and demerits they were appear in the periodic table that we studied in this chapter. So I hope that you are listening it carefully. Chapter number 2, periodic classification of elements. Classification of elements. Elements are classified to relate the chemical and physical properties of elements to each other and to allow the forecast of existence of other elements. Several attempts were made by Lavoisier, Daltons, Doberanner, Newlands, Mendeleev and Moseley to arrange the elements in some sort of systematic order. These are the scientists who are tried to classify the elements at that time they were in the existence. Some scientists try to classify the elements by arranging all that elements with their increasing order of atomic masses, and some scientists who arrange all that elements with their increasing order of atomic numbers. In this way, the classification of elements are made by that scientist. If we see the classification of elements by Moseley, which is known as modern periodic table, in 1913, Moseley made an important discovery of atomic number. It was found that the properties of atoms depend mainly on the number of electrons in the outermost shell. So the classification of elements should be based on their atomic number and not on their atomic mass. The modern periodic table has element arranged in the order of their increasing atomic number. From time to time, various additions and corrections were made in this periodic table, and the latest and most acceptable form of the periodic table now is the long form of periodic table. Here we see the periodic law, which is stated by Henry Moseley. The properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Each and every element has the properties of their atomic number is the periodic functions in the modern periodic table. He stated that all the elements, if arranged in the increasing order of their atomic numbers, then all the elements can successfully arrange in the periodic table. In this way, Moseley, who are the scientists who successfully classify all the elements. Now if you see the periodic table, modern periodic table, in which there are 118 elements are successfully arranged. Now Mendeleev's periodic table. The first really successful arrangement of elements in the shape of the label was that Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian chemist, in 1869, he published a periodic table of element and he wrote that the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. Now the Mendeleev wrote that or discovered that the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic functions. On the basis of placing elements in the Mendeleev's periodic table, increasing atomic mass, Mendeleev arranged all that elements with the increasing atomic mass. Grouping of elements with the similar properties. He grouped all elements with its similar properties. In this way, Mendeleev arranged all that elements in its periodic table for the classification of that elements. If you see the Mendeleev's periodic table, the elements were arranged in such way that the elements with the similar properties fall in the same vertical column. If you see the Mendeleev's periodic table, the same vertical column shows the same properties of elements. The vertical columns of the similar elements are called as groups, and the horizontal rows of elements are called as periods. This is the arrangement of elements was based on physical and chemical properties of element. All that arrangement which is made in the Mendeleev's periodic table by physical and chemical properties, and also the formula of compounds they form with the oxygen and hydrogen. Classification of elements by Newland's law of octaves. In 1866, Newland arranged elements in ascending order of atomic masses. Newland is the another scientist who tried to classify the elements. According to him, the eighth element starting from the given one is a kind of repetition of first. It means the first element which shows the similar property as that of eighth element. Like the notes of octaves of the music. He called the relation as laws of octaves. Classification of elements, Newland's arrangement, their merits. Newland was the first chemist to give the number to the elements. Newland left places for the elements still undiscovered. Newland altered position of elements, for example lithium and iodine, when the atomic weights are placed them in the wrong order. The periodicity of the property was recognized for the first time. In the Newland periodic table, they give some places for the undiscovered elements. He also altered the position of elements like lithium and iodine in the periodic table. And now the limitation of Newland's laws of octaves. It was assumed that Newland's that only 56 elements existence in the nature. Laws of octaves work well for first 17 elements. Newland adjusted the two elements in the same position in order to fill the elements into his table, and also put the unlike elements in the same column. After the discovery of noble gases, the eighth element no longer remained a similar elements. In the periodic table of Newland's, there are some limitations or demerits. He only assumed up to the 17 elements. At the time of Newland's, there were only 56 elements are in the existence. Classification of elements by Dobereiner. Dobereiner triads. In 1829, Dobereiner had shown that there are several groups of three chemical similar elements. These groups are called triads. He noted that atomic weights of the middle elements in a triad is the arithmetic mean of other two elements. Dobereiner arranged the three groups of elements having a similar properties with increasing order of their atomic mass. He seen that the middle element shows the properties of other two elements, for example lithium, sodium, potassium. The classification was not satisfactory as it could be applied to limited number of elements because only 3 triads were known at that time. Here we see lithium, sodium and potassium triads, demerits of triads. Halogens like chlorine, bromine, iodines are difficult to place. Iron, manganese, nickel, cobalt, zinc and copper are 6 similar elements but cannot be placed in the triads. These are some limitations or demerits of the Doberan triads.